Hi, I'm Aaron Murch from 2H Media. In this video, we're going to walk through how to create a discount code in Shopify. From the Shopify dashboard, click Discounts in the left-hand navigation. Next, click the Create Discount button in the top right-hand corner of the screen. When the modal appears, choose between a discount code or an automated discount. Discount codes are great for email blasts and other advertising campaigns that require customers to enter a specific code during checkout. Automatic discounts are a fantastic way of implementing long-term campaigns that encourage specific buying behavior. In this example, we're only going to focus on discount codes, not automated discounts. From the Create Discount Code page, the first step is to enter the discount code which your customers will use during checkout. In this example, we're going to call our discount Duck15. It's important to note that discount codes are case sensitive, so you'll have to make sure that your advertising material communicates this clearly to your customers. Next, choose one of the 4 types of discounts: percentage, fixed amount, free shipping, or buy X get Y. In this example, our discount code is going to give our customers 15% off everything in store. However, if we wanted to, we could limit it to specific collections or even specific products. Let's enter a value for our discount, and then take a look at a few of the other ways we can limit its usage. Under the minimum requirement settings, we can limit our discount code to be usable only for purchases above a certain dollar value or a certain number of products. Within the customer eligibility section, we can choose to leave our discount code accessible to everyone, or we can limit its usage to specific groups of customers or even specific individual customers. In this example, we want our discount code to be as widely applicable as possible, so we're not going to create any additional customer limitations. With a particularly aggressive discount, it may be wise to limit its overall number of uses or limit it to 1 use per customer. To do so, simply select the checkbox in the Usage Limits section. Finally, select a start date for when your discount code will be available. If you'd like, you can also select an end date to limit it to a specific window of time. This can be a fantastic way of implementing short-term discounts for things like email blasts or holiday sales. Once you're happy with your discount code settings, click the Save button in the top right-hand corner of the screen. Once you click the Save button, your discount code will be usable in the front end of Shopify after your selected start date. To review the settings we just selected at a glance, take a quick look at the Summary section in the top right-hand corner of the screen, which does an excellent job condensing all of the information we just entered into a minimalist format that's great for quick viewing. So there you have it. If you followed along with this entire video, you now know how to create a discount code in Shopify.